I'm going to show you how we service the Fit Once cartridge. This particular one has been fitted to the Vaillant ecoFIT Pure. So there's no need to drain the boiler down. Firstly, turn the power off, remove your electrical connector and remove the retainers. We recommend that you don't do this work if the boiler is hot. The boiler is no more than 40 degrees. Components can get very hot. They can just stay to one side like that. Pull out the motor, just push it down a bit, angle it down to clip it off. You can now see our Fit Once cartridge. Insert. Now we turn to the left to seal it off. Now we can extract the canister that holds the seals. And then pull them out. And there we are. There's the old seals and the old canister. You get your new canister, simply insert it in the tool, over the pin, and like that. Get them in place, unlock the valve. Your new seals are in place, and all we need to do now is reassemble. Remember, if you just put the pin into the hole, so you're going to push it in and flip it up. There we are, you feel it's locked on. Now if you turn the power on to the boiler, what it will do is retract, turn the power off. Unfortunately, you have to be very quick to turn the power off. Put the power back on again, it will retract again. There we are, power off. Now you've got that in place, it's simply a question of locking back in your retainers. One at the top there, one at the bottom. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching.